G'day, g'day bloody legends. We're out here on the mighty Patterson River and we're going to be doing some topwater fishing for Australian bass with cicadas. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Oh. Hit there. Let's see if he wants it again. Come on, fishy. It's a bad cast. Oh, that's so fish. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. I think we have missed him. Keep trucking along. Uh-oh, we're over something in there. Come on. Now that we're here, we may as well make the best of this situation. Rip a cheeky one up there. Rubbish cast. That's okay. Oh, we're on. How about that? And we're off. Oh, be good. Be so good. It's got to be mullet, right? Why haven't I cast anyway? On the bank, not disturbing anything. Look at that cheeky drop into the water. And we're cooking with gas. Nothing. On. And we're off. There's a little swell on it, I saw it, but I wouldn't stay on the top of the water. Oh, please. Please. What are you doing? Oh, look in that. Oh, and we lost it. Come on. Still better, still better. Hit it again. Hit it again. Alright, third time's a charm. Oh, that's a fish. That's the fish. Don't be afraid to hit the bank when you're casting, because oftentimes bass are right up on there. We'll lift him in the boat. Caught the line. And that is nice. Oh, settle, settle. Well, he's not big, but you know, bass is a bass. Release him down here. Oh, can you see that lizard? That's a big lizard. Yeah, he wants it. That is a big... Oh shit. We're gonna catch him. Oh fuck. Get out of it, big dog. Come on, here we go. Oh yeah. Another Aussie bass. Beautiful. But like I was saying, I really only go for it. Oh, he swallowed him. Oh, maybe not. Settle, settle, settle. They really only go for it if it's right up in there. Like, we must have had several casts in that same location, but until we hit it right in there, there was no real take. But another nice fella. Send him back on his way. Oh, that's the one. Be good. Oh, hit. We weren't even on the top. Oh. And we're on again. Oh, he's small. Oh, they just love the cicadas. Alright, let's get him unhooked. There he is. Nice little fella. Send him off. Yeah. Houston, we have a problem. That is my way back. And that is also a lot of cows in the river. I need to go home. Thank you very much. You mothers look very protective of your young ones. Yeah, I'm going. GoPro's on 2%. Alright, that's going to conclude this evening's little session. Very nice. Couple of fish, 3 in the end, I think. But yeah, always love going after this species on topwater. I mean, is there anything better than a big take on the surface? But anyway, I'm just starting out on YouTube, so please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.